Hello. Let's learn some colors. Purple color, light green color, sky blue color, red color, orange color, dark blue color, violet color, yellow color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F. Violet color. A for apple. Purple color. B for box. Sky blue color. C for cap. Red color. D for dog. Orange color. E for elephant. Light green color. F for flowers. Let's learn to count some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Red color. Number 1. Number 1. Yellow color. Number 2. Number 2. Sky blue color. Number 3. Number 3. Purple color. Number 4. Number 4. Orange color. Number 5. Number 5. Dark green color. Number 6. Number 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.